So 10.21, in the United States, barometric pressures are generally reported in inches of mercury. On a beautiful summer day in Chicago, the barometric pressure is 30.54 inches of mercury. Convert this pressure to torr, convert this pressure to ATMs. So the first thing that you need to know is the relationship between inches and millimeters, and there are 2.54 centimeters in an inch, which means there are 25.4 millimeters in an inch. And this is exact, so this is an infinite number of significant digits for each one of those measurements. And in letter A, we're going to take that 30.45 inches of mercury, put a multiply sign, put a line, put inches of mercury in a position where it's going to cancel. And then if we go to millimeters of mercury, remember that millimeters of mercury are equal to torr. And so we'll have converted it to torr just by going to millimeters of mercury. And we know that in 1 inch of mercury, there are 25.4 millimeters exactly. And so then when you take and multiply those two together, you end up with 773.4 torr. And then letter B, convert this pressure to atmospheres. So there's a couple different ways you could do this. You could start once again with the inches of mercury, or you could use the torr that you already solved for in letter A. So 773.4 torr. Put a multiply sign, put a line, put torr in a position where it's going to cancel, and then let's put that to atmospheres. And in 1 atmosphere, there are 760 torr. And if you forgot where to find that, remember right down here on your periodic table, there's a bunch of those relationships right here. And then when you divide those two, you end up with 1.018 atmospheres.